This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back, everyone. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad on Wednesday, March 12th. Hope you had a great day. I'm going to title today's podcast Double Down, and I'll tell you all in a second why. Let's jump right into the breadth numbers. On the NYSE, we had 55 new highs versus 405 new lows. That's not good. 56% were advancing versus 41% declining. 73% are below the 50-day moving average, and 68% are below its 200-day moving average. Now, the headline numbers that you'll hear on the news is going to sound good. They'll say, yeah, the Dow was down 82 points, which is nothing, down 0.2%. The NASDAQ is up 200 points, up 1.2%. And the S&P was up almost 0.5%. And it'll probably say something like, inflation data this morning shows ease of inflation. Maybe we'll get a cut. That's what all of the news media are going to tell you. But what they're not going to tell you is when the CPI data came out this morning in the pre-market, the Dow futures were up 300 points. The S&P futures were up over 1.1%. The NASDAQ 100 futures was up 1.58%, and the small cap futures were up over 1%. We closed the day obviously much lower than that. So in my book, that is a L for dip buyers, especially in the morning. In that context, it was a very weak day, if you ask me. And if you look into the close, we had a little bit of softness as well. Looking at sector analysis, technology bounced today, led by a lot of the mega caps. But before I jump into the sectors, I digress. I forgot to cover the mega cap. So Tesla bounced the most, as I just said, 7.6%. Meta was up 2.3%. Google was up 1.8%. Amazon 1.1%. Microsoft 0.75%. Nvidia up 6.4%. Apple was the only one red in the Mag 7, down 1.7%. That is why you saw tech leading today. And in the sector analysis, that's exactly what happened. Tech was up 1.5%. Communication services was up 1.3%. Consumer cyclical up 0.75%. Energy up 0.6%. Financials up 0.5%. Leading to the downside, you had consumer defensive down 1.7%. Healthcare 0.84%. Real estate down 0.39%. Basic materials down 0.35%. Industrials down 0.09%. Let's keep peeling the onion for today's session. So what else stuck out to me? I know Tesla's bouncing, and it's oversold. It's lost almost 40+% since December. And I've been creating polls on my podcast and the show notes saying, hey, do you own a Tesla? Would you repurchase a Tesla after the elections? Because Tesla is now the Trump mobile. And it's quite interesting to see what's going on here. And this is not a political statement. Whether you support Doge and what Elon Musk is doing or not.
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode.
Don't forget to subscribe to notyouradvisor.com.
And all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not Your Advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.